Here we have a 2017 17-plate BMW 420D M Sport XDRIVE. Now we do have the 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just hiding behind those, we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black Kinney grills, full M Sport styling kits to get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, a rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now as well as the blacked out M Sport kit and the wheels, we do have the blacked out styling on the window trim. We also have the privacy glass on the rear. Now we do also have that rear shark fin antenna, dual X exhaust, flush at the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. We do get the front and rear parking sensors with visual display on the centre screen. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. The rear does look superb from every angle. Now there's a quick look at the last alloy wheel. If we go inside, I'll show you bits of the interior. Looking straight into the back, you can see we do have the full Dakota leather throughout with the ISO point. Pull down armrest in the centre, and we also have the storage tray in the centre there as well. There's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support. You also have the M stripes just in there with the blue stitching. On the doors you get your electric windows with your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside, looking down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you do also have keyless start from a touch of a button. Now, we do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. You also have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. Now, this vehicle has done just over 85,870 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now, on the end of the wiper stalk, you do have the button for the auto wipers. That will light up green when it is activated. Now, coming to the centre screen, you can see the satellite navigation. You also have your nav. Media connectivity, so you do have DAB, FM, AM, music collection, aux, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. Now you do also have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Now we do have different drive modes where you do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Now in Sports and Sports Plus you can also see the kilowatts and newton meters of torque that you're currently using. Pop car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. Now I'll pop that back into park. Now when you go on home, you do have your notifications and all those other settings just there as well. You can connect your phone to it, so you can also do lots of other stuff via your phone. Coming down here, we have your dual zone climate control. Now this works exactly how you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon for those hot summer days. And you do also have 2 heated seats in the front, so for those cold winter mornings, really does make all the difference, as they do warm up quite quickly. Storage tray just down here, pop this open, reveals 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity. Track control on and off, as well as your drive mode select and also your parking sensors. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. Now when you are in the map, you can also use the touchpad just there to zoom in and out of the map. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath. And there's a look at the passengers, a full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support. Now you have the brushed metal and the gloss black trim all around the interior of this vehicle, which really does look absolutely superb and makes the interior of this car very, very nice to be in. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 420D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll press the cruise control button and push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Now to get back to manual control, we can either press the cruise control button again or apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes. I'm currently in 8th gear, down to 7th, 6th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th and 3rd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there's plenty of great features to talk about in here. Of course, on the infotainment screen we've got things like satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, all paired up to the premium Harman Kardon sound system, so it sounds fantastic in here. It's also incredibly comfortable, of course, with the full leather interior, heated seats for both front passengers as well. Really overall a nice place to be inside here. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years. We've also offered free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So make sure to give us a follow on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, just up ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse, and then drive over a speed bump just to put the vehicle through its paces a little bit for you, and you can see how it performs in those tasks. So turning in just now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, no problems at all. We've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors on the display just there. And on the last test, we are about to drive over the speed bump. There we go, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which if you were here with me today, of course you would be listening out for. Now, this is usually where you would be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model, and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in our online photos, video walk around, or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.